In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your NatWest mortgage account. If you also have an account of NatWest Mortgage, then in this video, let me show you the simple process of logging into it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Search for NatWest Mortgage Login on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, you can click this first link, which is from the website of NatWest. Once you click on it, it's going to directly take you to the login section. Now to log into your account, you'll firstly need to type in your mortgage account number, your date of birth, and your surname. And lastly, enter in your mortgage property code and then click on login. Once you do this, a one-time password will be sent to your mobile number that is registered or linked with this account. In the next section, you just need to type in the code that has been sent and you'll be successfully logged in to your NatWest mortgage account. If you don't have your mobile number with you, make sure that you get it first because you'll need to enter in the code to log into your account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys understood and found this video to be helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.